How to measure your walls and order wallpaper. You will need access to our website and a tape measure. Using the tape measure, measure both the height and the width of your walls. The wall must be a smooth, painted finish. It cannot just be drywall, primer, concrete, or a textured finish. You will want to measure from the top of your baseboards all the way to the ceiling. If you have any windows, doors, any sort of obstacle, measure as if they were not there. You'll want to order for the full size of the wall to ensure correct pattern alignment. Now you'll want to head over to our website and use our quantity calculator. It's super easy to use. Just put in your height and width and press calculate, and our calculator will give you how many sheets your project requires. This makes ordering quick and simple.